Authorities have charged several individuals in connection with the overdose death of actor Matthew Perry, a beloved figure known for his iconic role as Chandler Bing on the hit television series, Friends. The news comes nearly a year after Perry was found dead in his Los Angeles home, an event that sent shockwaves through Hollywood and among his fans worldwide. The Los Angeles County Medical Examiner initially reported that Perry's death was the result of an accidental overdose. However, subsequent investigations uncovered troubling details that suggested a more complex situation involving multiple parties. Law enforcement officials revealed that a group of individuals had been directly involved in supplying Perry with the drugs that led to his fatal overdose. The charges against them include drug trafficking, conspiracy, and, in some cases, manslaughter. The investigation into Perry's death has been extensive, involving multiple agencies and months of detailed work. Detectives followed a trail of evidence that eventually led to the arrest of these individuals. According to sources close to the investigation, these suspects are alleged to have supplied Perry with dangerous, illicit substances that ultimately led to his untimely death. The exact nature of the drugs involved has not been publicly disclosed, but authorities have indicated that they were extremely potent and lethal. Matthew Perry's struggle with addiction was well documented throughout his career. He openly discussed his battles with alcohol and prescription drugs, often sharing his experiences in interviews and through his memoir. Perry was also a passionate advocate for addiction recovery, using his platform to help others struggling with substance abuse. In 2013, he even converted his Malibu home into a sober living facility, known as the Perry House, to support people in recovery. Despite his public efforts and personal determination, Perry's addiction struggles remained a lifelong challenge. The charges brought against the suspects have brought a new layer of scrutiny to Perry's death, shifting the focus from a tragic accident to a criminal investigation. Legal experts suggest that the case could have broader implications for how authorities pursue drug-related deaths, particularly those involving high-profile individuals. If convicted, those responsible could face significant prison time, particularly in light of the seriousness of the charges. Public reaction to the news has been intense. Fans, who continue to mourn the loss of the actor, have expressed both grief and anger. Many have called for stricter regulations and more aggressive action against those who distribute dangerous drugs, while others have used Perry's death as a call to action to address the ongoing opioid crisis in the United States. Matthew Perry's legacy extends far beyond his role on Friends. While he will always be remembered as the quick-witted Chandler Bing, his advocacy for addiction recovery has left a lasting impact. His death serves as a tragic reminder of the dangers of addiction and the devastating consequences that often accompany it. As the legal proceedings continue, more details about the circumstances surrounding Perry's death are expected to emerge. The suspects are scheduled to appear in court in the coming weeks, where they will face a judge and potentially enter pleas. The case is likely to be closely watched, not only because of Perry's fame but also because of its implications for future cases involving drug-related deaths. For now, the charges mark a significant step forward in the quest for justice following the loss of a cherished actor and advocate. While it is unlikely to lessen the grief felt by Perry's loved ones and fans, the accountability brought by these charges could provide some measure of closure as they continue to mourn a man who meant so much to so many.